I'm going to show you how to make a paper play button. So you're going to need 3 pieces of paper, a pencil or a pen, and some glue. So I did this for my dad for reaching 2 subscribers. And you also need this because it's going to be a letter. And I am, what was I going to say? I'm going to make one for a big friend of mine. I've met this person in person before, Raphael's channel. Just search up Raphael's channel and then you'll see it. And then you can just follow the steps of what we do.
There you go, mate.
Thank you.
Your paper.
Well, my dad hasn't brought any glue. We need a pencil and some glue.
Some glue.
And a pencil. Sorry, guys. So basically, you're gonna 1, 2, 3 pieces of paper. So this one is going to be for your letter, and these 2 you need to stick together. Because you know the real one, it's like very like pushed in. I haven't got one of those yet. I've not got any of the milestones yet. But I've got 400, which I'm really thankful. And yeah, we're going to stick these 2 together. Yeah. Oh, thank you. So first, we're going to write the letter.
Pencil.
Thank you.
Glue. There when you need it.
Okay. So guys, oh yeah, I thought actually doesn't matter. Oops. So we are going to write the letter. So you first write dear, and just write the YouTube channel you're going to use. Raphael's channel, comma, and then you're going to write we award you to the paper play button. And then you write, this is Kelly made by your name. So I'm gonna write, this is Kelly made by Jack, because my real name is Jack. This Kelly made by Jack. So then you finished your letter. Okay? And then you're just going to put the paper on the floor, a desk, whatever. And then, now this is the glue part. So do you know this piece of paper? You're going to glue it onto this. Sorry guys, I need to find something. Sorry guys, you might not see me right now. It's because I'm on one of my shelves, because I need a hard surface to do this. So now I'm going to stick it onto the piece of paper, and then this is how it came out, and then this is the pencil part. And you're also going to add some colours, so actually 4 simple things. Now you're going to draw the YouTube logo. The YouTube logo. And then we're going to write, present it to the name you're going to send it to. And then you're going to write for surpassing blah subscribers. I'm going to write for surpassing 10. Because But today he just force, I think. Subscribers. So guys, you can hear like brunch because my mum is vacuuming. And then add some colour. So then add some lovely colours, because this is actually a big friend of mine. He's even from a school. So this is how it came out. Can you guys see? Yeah, that's how it came out. So of his profile. His profile colours are black and yellow. So guys, I want to use his profile pictures. I'll use his profile colours. Yeah, and you're just gonna colour it in. I'm gonna talk also. Let's use black for this. What's this purple? I don't know. I'm just gonna put like the black on the right there and there. I'm gonna colour the YouTube thing in red. Right, so I've done that. And then inside the black lines, and yellow, so I'm going to use green. And inside there. Black. And guys, that's your paper play button done. But it's not well. And then you just add the paper play button. Then you send it to your friend. Thank you guys, I really appreciate you for watching. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.